This wig is so cute that it has Mama Juice Drop dancing, y'all. Let's see what the dancing is all about. Stay tuned. Hey, 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 it's time to slay. Okay, I want to show you lovely ladies this wig straight out the box. The color is already banging. The curls are kind of like a flip and straight curl under to the back. So it's a little different than the curly wigs I normally do. She has one comb in the back, two combs on the side, and a straight part. Now, what's the inches of the part? Girl, I don't be knowing, but I will most definitely probably let you know per the review. Okay. So I am removing the lace per usual. Okay. And like I tell you ladies all the time, whether you cut it with scissors or you remove it with an eyebrow archer, you want to make sure that it's not a straight cut, that it's more of a jagged cut. So as you can see, this wig has a lot of baby hair to play with. Okay, I am excited. I love it when I don't have to really go in and separate baby hair, which I don't mind, if I have to do that, but it is so much better when the wig already comes with its defined and separated baby hair, especially when the lace's edge is plucked to perfection. Okay, and this wig is plucked to perfection. It really is. Okay, now I decided to go with a really cute baby hairstyle. Maybe do like a really cute little feather in the middle and some symmetric baby hairs on the side. I'm gonna do a tutorial one day where I slow it down just a little to show you ladies how to style the baby hair, because I still get those questions every once in a while, of, okay, you make it look so easy, but what's a step-by-step way that I can, achieve it? Should I glue it down first, before styling the baby hairs, or, should I style the baby hairs and then, glue it down, I like to style my wigs as you see me styling this lovely wig on my wig head. And then I like to, put it on my head. And, sometimes I have to go in and, slightly tweak the baby hair, but at least it's already styled and I already have a base from from where to start, and I can just, glue it down on my head. Okay. So, and that's why you see me right here freezing this baby hairstyle in place, because that's essential. Like, you have, you're able to do that with synthetic hair. You're able to freeze it in place versus real hair. You can't, you can with products, but you can't because it's not synthetic and it doesn't melt via heat, right? So I'm going to do that for you ladies. So voila, she is all done. I can't wait to see how she looks on Mama Juice Drop. What do you know? She looks gorgeous. It came out so pretty. This lace melted like butter. Stay tuned.
Hey y'all, hey, Mama Juice Drop here, and I'm here to do another wig review. And the wig that I'm going to be reviewing for you ladies is made by It's a Wig, and it's called T Lace Young, and I have Miss Young in the color TT1B27ND. Now what the ND stands for, I have no idea, but the rest of Miss Young's details right here. Now that we're back from Miss Young's details, let's get into her 360 right here. Now that we're back from Miss Young 360, now we're going to get into her pros. Pro number one is this flawless hairline. This hairline is rivaling Outre's perfect and melted hairline. Props to you, It's a Wig. You guys did a really good job on this hairline. Pro number two is this color blend. You know, the way that they have the 1B on top of the 27 looks really, really good. Pro number 3 is it's ear to ear, big head friendly, and it's also a easy put down and slay. Okay, now that we're done with the pros, now is y'all favorite time for me to get all up in your face so you can see the close-up of Miss Young.
All right, ladies. I loved styling this hair wig. It, put me in my outry perfect / melted hairline vibes, because it was so easy to just go in and lay this lace down like butter. Okay. It melted so flawlessly. It was so easy to style. It literally took me less time to style this wig than some of these fixed part wigs. Okay. So, if I could just get you to tilt up just a little bit, come back down, tilt down. All right. We're going to start from the right side here. I did glue it all the way down, even though my mom doesn't like it glued all the way down. And I just did like really cute, festive baby hairs. I just had so much baby hair to work with, so much lace that just was transparent and it just landed sound funny. And I just gave a little cute little swoop right here, or let's call it like a shark tooth or something. Right smack dab in the middle. And then I did, it's symmetric as, from the right to the left. And then on this side, I glued it down as well, okay? So, she slayed, but she ain't paid. I'm just playing. Anyway, so wave by or do something. Close up, what? Over! You already know I'm about to tell her, get out y'all face. All right?
I'm about to get out y'all face. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from the close-up, now it's time to get into Miss Young's cons.
Right.
Okay, and I don't really have very many cons. She does shed a little, she does tangle a little, but it's nothing that a paddle brush or some detangler or something that can't fix that problem. But, and then also, she's a little bit thin, but I think they call that natural density.
Yep.
Okay, so, but, overall, she's not, I love this wig. Like, this is like, oh, sorry.
I like it too. I'm mad because I ain't getting one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Look, she's selling like hotcakes, ladies. Yeah, so this is my number 2. I also have a 1B.
And we're going to show a picture.
The picture of me with my 1B Young is going to be right here.
Okay. And so I did like the baby hair identically to that. Identically to that. And, it was as easy to slay and lay as the black one. And girl, these hair wigs is going. You gotta get them hot off the presses,
and not
baby. Just that, y'all better get them while supplies last. Right?
Yeah, because they ain't playing with you.
Yeah, so what do you rate this wig?
My God. 10, baby. She gets a 10, a perfect 10. All right. A perfect 10, baby. All right. She is a winner. I need to go out on an elegant dinner. Okay. I need to go. Come get me. All right.
It's a big deal because I don't think Mama JuiceDrops rated a wig a 10 yet.
Nope, this is my first wig that I'm rating a 10.
So it gotta be good, y'all. Let's go ahead on and end it right here, Mama JuiceDrops. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and
my review on Miss Young. Okay? And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please do not forget to follow my beautiful, talented, gorgeous daughter on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.
All right, I didn't have to tell you to give them a kiss. Bye, y'all.
Oh, yeah.